Do you want to know how to make money on Fiverr without any skills? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and many viewers here on my channel have asked me about freelance jobs that are easy to do. And if you have been looking for freelance jobs, you have probably come across the freelance platform Fiverr. But the reality is also that most of the jobs there requires you to have quite a lot of skills, which is of course really great if you have them. But if you do not, how can you then get started? And this is exactly what this video here will show you. I will show you 7 Fiverr gigs you can do without any skills and without any experience at all, so you can easily get started no matter your background. So before going over the 7 Fiverr gigs you can do no matter your background and without any prior skills or knowledge or anything like that, I just want to explain a little bit that you maybe have seen other lists or anything like that about Fiverr gigs that you can supposedly do without any knowledge or skills. And the reality is just that some of them do actually require quite some skills. Some people are just making up stuff as they go along or just to get views. But in this video here, I will show you 7 jobs you can actually literally do without any background or any specific skills. But at the same time, they are also ethical to do, because I've also seen others saying like, oh, you can do this like translation jobs and just do, use Google Translate, and it's just not realistic and it's not fair, because it will not be a proper translation, you will not do a proper job, and it will not give good long-term results, and it will also be kind of cheating the people that pay you, and that's just not fair. So instead, I will just only show you gigs that you can do ethically without cheating anyone, without faking it up with anything. They are just looking for people that does not require to have any specific skills. However, once you start using Fiverr, you will probably also find that you probably have some skills, more than you maybe think, that many people are looking for, and thereby you can also use those to get more jobs. But you will figure that out as you start using it, if you decide to use it. But for now, let's then focus on these 7 ways, 7 gigs you can find on Fiverr that you can just get started with quite easily. So the first option here is copy paste, and I'm now just looking through here some different options or other people that posted jobs, because this can give you an idea about what type of jobs you can find with this skill here. Just copy paste, that's something anyone can do here. And you can see some of them here, yeah, it's a little bit more involved, but other times people are looking just simply because they have a lot of things that need to be copy pasted and they just do not want to do it themselves, they want to outsource it. And you can see here, this here is how many people that have reviewed it, and that means like a minimum of, for example, 224 people have bought this gig here, a minimum of 195, here's 16, 122. So you can see here, you can go through and you can read their job description, so you can get an idea about what people are looking for before creating your own job here if you decide to join. But there are quite a lot of different tasks like this where you just simply need to copy paste stuff and you can get paid for that. You can also here look at the prices, so you can get an idea of how much you potentially can charge for doing this here. So that's definitely one easy option. The next option here is to become a beta reader. You can say, of course, it requires the skill if you are able to read, but I'm assuming that if you're looking on websites anyways, you can probably at least read most of it there. And here you can see people are offering to become a beta reader, meaning sometimes they will just read a book and they will give their thoughts about it, their opinions, their feedback about it. So you can get paid for doing that. You can get a nice book and give feedback about it. For example, sometimes it requires you to give a bit more feedback or critique or things like that. What you want to offer is of course up to you and how involved you are. And you can see again here, there's quite a lot of people that are using these services. So it is a real way to make money here. It is a real gig. Next here we have to remove backgrounds from images, and you can say that used to be something you needed to be really good at Photoshop to do. I remember when I first started working with images, it took me like hours to remove the background of an image because you had to sit and draw it. But right now, a lot of people have like images like that just need to have the image removed or the background removed, and maybe they do not know how easy it actually is nowadays, or they just have a lot of images and do not have the time. But you can use many different free tools. For example, this remove.bg here, you can just upload an image here. If we just see here, you can see all you need to do is upload it, then remove the background. You can see the original here, and then here it's removed. That's how easy it is. It takes a few seconds here. Then you can download it, and then you can ship it there or send it where it needs to be sent here. Of course, with automatic tools like this, some images can be harder. There might be some things that are not completely fine at the edges there, but the majority of images or the tools like this is just one example. They are so good nowadays that it's really easy to remove the background. You can see this here looks really amazing, and it really did not take long. And a lot of people are looking for services like this. You can see here how many people that have used this service here, and you can see what people charge for doing that. So this is definitely also something that no longer requires specific skills because of the tools we have available for free today. Next here is to post comments. You can see some people are offering to comment on blog posts and websites here, and that is also a way to earn potentially. Of course, in my opinion, you should always make sure to only take on ethical jobs, meaning, do not participate in any kind of weird things or comment on things where you can see this is unethical. But there are people that get paid for this. There's not as many people that hire these here as you can look at them here and tell, as some of the other ones here. You can see, for example, 28 here. So there's not that many, but there are some. It can be a way to earn a bit extra here. And it is quite easy to do that, to leave a few comments on a website or social media post, for example. We now have 3 more options to go, but before going over those, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So the next option here is called web research, and this can be many different things. Of course, some of them will require a bit more, but you can decide what you offer. But if you're good at doing web research, you can say that's of course a skill like you require, but most of us use the internet every day anyways. So if you found this video here, for example, you probably do know how to do web research, and then you can offer your services here. And a lot of people are using these services here to get people to search for different things online. Here you can see examples, and you can go through there. So just go to Fiverr, search for this, go through the different job postings to get an idea about what people offer and how much they charge for this. And you can see there are plenty of opportunities here also. Next one here is to share links. Some people are willing to pay you for sharing, for example, a link to Facebook or different things like this. Is of course how much you can charge will depend if you have a big following or not. And again, this is one of the things where you should make sure to only share links for ethical things, of course, because some people that might try to hire you to promote or share links for something that you should not promote, but that's just something to be aware of. But it can be a way to earn a bit extra. Of course, if you do not have a big social following and things like that, you will not be able to charge this much, but most people can charge a little bit for doing this here. So the last option here is called data entry, and data entry can of course also sometimes require skills. It really depends what type of data entry jobs you are using, but you can again just look for it here. You can see there are many different types. Some of them are really experienced, really great, but other times it's just where you need to do basic data entry things that anyone that can just use a computer can do. And then you can offer that because it's often things that can take a lot of time and people do not have that time, so they really want to outsource that. And some people get a lot of reviews here, meaning that they have a lot of clients here. So data entry here is definitely also a real way to find a good amount of working opportunities. So as you can see, there are actually Fiverr gigs you can do without any specific skills or prior knowledge. Of course, it will take you some time to build up your profile on Fiverr because you need to start slow, maybe not charging so much, just to get a few clients, to get a few reviews, and then when people start seeing the positive reviews, more and more will start hiring you. So it takes a little bit of time to build up like that, but it is possible to get started no matter your background. And once you start using it, then you might also find out that you have other skills that people are looking for, and then you can start creating jobs for those as well. But I hope this video here gave you some inspiration so you can see what type of freelance jobs you can potentially find here, no matter your background. And also, if you're looking for other free ways to easily start earning right away, where you do not have to spend time building up your profile, but where you can just join, start earning right away, I will also leave links below here to more information about different options where you can just do that. But no matter what, I hope this video here helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.